Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your iCSee camera keeps going offline again and again, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact fixes that can definitely resolve this problem. So first of all, you need to check the server stability inside the application. The iCSee cameras depends on the cloud servers, and sometimes the issue is server related and not your Wi-Fi. So you can try logging out of your app, and then you can try switching the region if it is available. Then simply log back in. This particular step often restores the connection. If the issue still persists, you can just hop on to our second fix, in which you just have to basically fix your router timeout settings. Now, many routers disconnect inactive devices quickly. So you can go to your router settings, and then you need to increase the idle timeout or keep alive settings so that the cameras stays connected. Now you need to check the SD card issues as well. A faulty SD card or slow memory card can cause the camera to freeze and go offline. So you need to basically remove the SD card and then test the camera without it. If it is working fine, we have found the issue which is relating to the SD card. So you need to now replace the card. Now another important fix is the voltage drops. If your camera is powered through a long cable or weak adapter, small voltage drops can also cause random disconnections. So you need to make sure that you are using the original adapter and avoid any extensions cables if possible. Also disable the dual band auto switching. If your router uses the same name for the 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, the camera may disconnect while switching. So you can create a separate 2.4 gigahertz network, and then you can connect only to that. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your iCSee camera is back online. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.